Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, after staying in a lot of different cruise cabins over the years, there's one type in particular we always keep coming back to. And honestly, it's changed the way we cruise. Let's get away. So for our family, that type of cabin is a balcony cabin. Miss Sydney girl. You guys are used to seeing her now. That's her space. So yes on that. So it is a balcony cruise. When I say it just changes the flow of the cruise from beginning to the end, right? So speaking of that, let me start from the beginning, right? So hubby and I's very first cruise, oh my gosh, so many years ago, we had an ocean view cabin, right? So I had never cruised before, right? And you know, that's the one with the big round window, right? So we had that one. And I felt like we were on a lower deck. So I say that because every time we looked out the window, the ocean seemed to be a little bit close, right? So that was our very first cruise. And from the next cruise on, we have always had a balcony, whether we were alone, right, hubby and I, or we were with the girls. So yes on that. It really is our peace, right? It's our getaway, it's our retreat, right? When things are happening all over the ship, we have a space, our private space, right, that we can go take 5 minutes, decompress, right? That is a word I use often on the channel. We need to decompress, and sometimes we need to get away from that, you know, hustle and bustle, right? Let me say it like that, the hustle and bustle of the ship, because they are rocking, right? So to go to the cabin and just, you know, head out on the balcony, it's a good thing. It's a very good thing for us, whether it's 5-10 minutes, an hour or two. It's our space that we can do that. You know what I mean? So yes on that. Every morning is special, right? Coffee on the balcony, whether it's a sea day, right? So all you see is blue water for miles as far as the eye can see, right? So that picturesque moment, and like I said, coffee on the balcony, and being able to, depending on which side of the ship you are on, right, you can see us pulling into a port, a different island. It's just breathtaking to be able to do that. And those little moments become some of the best memories. Oh my goodness. And if I'm being honest, I probably spend the most time out there. I think, I don't know, it's just my calm. It really, really is to just go out there and just let it go, right? For the most part. And Sydney likes to go out there. I feel like she's next behind me. She said yes. She's next behind me because the dolls are out there. It's a whole situation. They're cruising too, right? So she's out there depending on, you know, what type of balcony we actually have, how big it is. It really doesn't matter. She's going to pull the table up and they're going to be on the table. So if I'm out there eating or something, I have to hold it in my hand because they take precedence for sure. So Kara, not so much. She'll come out and kind of humor me, right? Come out on the balcony with mommy. She'll, you know, come on out for a minute or two, and then she's balcony all done. Not because she's afraid or anything, just because it's really not her twist. It's more me, it's more Sydney and hubby, right? So hubby will be out there kind of taking in, you know, all of that goodness out there, right? And it's just perfect. I hear Sydney, she's like recording while I'm recording. It's so funny. So the nighttime is very, oh my goodness, it's so chill, so relaxing. And, you know, just being out there, Miss Girl, it is so dark. Oh my goodness. You have to, I'm doing this and that's as far as I'm going to see. It is pitch black. And sometimes there are other cruise ships. I don't know what they are because they're so far away, but you could see them in their lights on the ship, right? So that's pretty cool, but that's all you're gonna see. Like, you're not gonna see anything, nothing else, right? It is pitch black, but so calming, so relaxing, right? And depending on which cruise line you're on, for instance, Disney, they are the only cruise line that has fireworks at sea. So sometimes for us, and it's always on pirate night, I feel like, and sometimes for us, you know, the girls are very regimented, and that's late, probably around 10:30 or so, maybe. I'm just taking a guess. I just know that it's later. And the girls are ready for bed. We're not going to, you know, go back out and do that. If we're out, but, you know, it's hit or miss. It kind of depends on how the girls are flowing. And mostly Kara. Kara is the one we have to measure everything with. Sydney is going to go with the flow. She said yes, no matter what, right? But there is certain times where they want to be in the cabin, and that's fine, right? So, you know, we're a family. We're going to do things as a family, right? So, you know, depending on which side of the ship you're on, you see, look at Hershey. It's the whole thing. So depending on which side, you don't have to be out and about on a Disney cruise. If you're on that starboard side, at least on my last cruise, that was the side to be on where they did the fireworks. So it was the most amazing thing to see fireworks on my balcony in my PJs with my family, right? So yes on that. And you could tell how fast the ship is moving, right? You look down in the water and the waves are just going and going and going. And again, depending on what type of balcony cabin you have, right, you're able to maybe see, you know, the darkness and all of that, but then maybe you're able to see other things on the ship, like an aqua theater show or something like that, right? So, or watch a movie from your balcony, which is something that we did on one of our more recent cruises. So, oh my goodness, it's so calming and it's just so relaxing. The views change every day, right? Like I said, pulling into a port, pulling away, right? Setting sail and just all the things. It's different, you know? So one of the bigger things, I'm laughing because I know me. One of the big things for me is having a balcony creates a larger space for me, right? I am claustrophobic 100%. I need to be able to step off, step away, take a deep breath, right? And my girls, I always say my girls feel like I do, right? It's probably the complete opposite, but I'm always thinking, how would I want this or have this or be more comfortable? And that's how I have to move with the girls. I get the balcony, and guess what? Sydney loves to be out there. So it is very important. I think not having that extra space, even though it's not that big, but knowing that once I open my doors, all of that is out there, even though I'm not out there, right? But I'm on my balcony. It just creates a different feeling. And honestly, it's the best feeling ever. So for us, our special needs family, it becomes like a cruising tradition to do certain things out on a balcony, right? For us, day one, right, is we're all out there, you know, doing a selfie across the balcony with the, you know, ocean behind us and things. It's usually after we pull away, and that's a tradition for us. We do that on every single cruise. Whenever we're dressed up, we're out there. We're doing pirate night, we're out there, you know, so taking pictures and things, it's a very picturesque moment to be on a balcony, right? Your own private balcony. It's a lot of things for us that, you know, if we didn't have a balcony cabin, it some things would break the vacation, if that makes any sense, right? So that is why our family loves having a balcony cabin, right? So in the next video, I want to talk about actually how we're living, right? Coexisting in this space, right? For 3 nights, 4 nights. I don't think we've ever done a 5-night cruise, but we have done a 6-night cruise, and definitely our fave is a 7-night cruise. I can just get away, right? Hubby likes the more longer cruises, which I'm not mad at, right? So more time, you know, away with my family. But we're going to talk about that and how all of our things, 4 suitcases and book bags and all the things, right? How I organize and fit everything in this tiny space for 7 nights, right? I'll see you soon. Bye.